10 types of dates you should look out for. Who doesn't love having dates? From awesome health benefits to delicious, dates come in all kinds of tastes and textures. At the very least, there are soft dates and dry ones, and both kinds have their specialities. Dates have become quite popular in recent years. Almost all dates sold in Western countries are dry depending on the variety. Fresh dates are fairly small in size and range in color from bright red to bright yellow. A wrinkled skin indicates that they are dried, whereas a smooth skin indicates freshness. Number 1. Ajwa. This is a combination of the soft and dry variety, sweet to eat and smooth in the mouth. These dates are known to have healing properties, and in Hadith, the Prophet is reported to have said that having 7 Ajwa dates in the morning protects the person from magic and poison until the evening. Number 2. Anbara. These large dates are a favorite due to their big, fleshy form and small seed. They are also one of the most expensive varieties. They are sweet, brown and full of protein. Number 3. Safawi. These black dates are sweet, fleshy and packed with vitamins. They are soft and cultivated in Medina. These dates are known for their healing properties. If eaten on an empty stomach, they kill stomach worms. They are also famous for their high mineral content. Number 4. Barhi. These are yellow and crunchy. The ripe date tastes like caramel and brown sugar. It's sweet like most dates and totally worth it. These creamy dates are really delicate and soft and sold while they are still on the thin branches. These seasonal dates can be frozen and stored for months. Number 5. Saghai. These crispy dates are cultivated in Riyadh. They are usually brown and light yellow at the tip. They are wrinkled but not flake and are definitely must-haves. Number 6. Khudri. These dark brown dates are dry and sweet. They have wrinkled skin and may be either large or small. They are one of the most exported dates because of the freshness and reasonable prices. They are one of the best dates to go for it if you want to refresh and energize. Number 7. Sukkari. These are crisp and really sweet, a quality which gives them their name. They are known for their healing and nutritious properties. They lower cholesterol, prevent tooth decay and also help get rid of fatigue. They are cultivated in Al-Qasim region. Number 8. Zahidi. These golden oval dates have a firm texture and nutty taste. They have thick skin and semi-dry and less sweet than other dates. They are high in fiber. Number 9. Medjool. These are known as the queen of dates. They have a large cushiony texture, strong and sweet flavor. They are really popular in America and are also used in making shakes and smoothies. They are usually available year-round. Number 10. Kholas. These dates have a caramel flavor when cured. They are sticky when they are fresh and usually consumed with Arabic coffee. They have loose skin and they originated in Al-Qasim and Al-Kharj regions of Saudi Arabia. These are 10 types of dates that are loved by many. There are a lot of variety of dates and one of the best ways to eat them is with almonds stuffed inside of them and with sesame. You can also dip your dates in Nutella and see what that tastes like. Do you have a favorite? The Cares and Cures team want you and those close to you to live a healthy, happy life. Your health is a valuable thing. Look after your health and your mind so that you can live your life to the fullest. Remember, you only get one. Please share this with your friends and family and do let us know what do you think in the comments below. This video is solely for informational purposes. Do not self-diagnose or self-medicate, and in all cases consult a certified healthcare professional before using any information presented in this video. The editorial board does not guarantee any result and does not bear any responsibility for any harm that may result from using the information provided in this video.